Hello everyone, welcome to part 19 of Laravel 8 API tutorial. And in this video we are going to start working on something new. Okay, so we are going to work on stock management for our Laravel app, and that is possible with the help of Laravel API or Laravel webhook. Okay, so webhook is the new word. Okay, so new thing for us to learn. So I hope that you will find really interesting. Okay, so first of all, Laravel API. Laravel API, as we already know, every one of us know about Laravel API. Okay, I am going to make the font bigger. Okay, so now it is clear. Okay, so see, Laravel API, as we already know, that it is the application programming interface. Okay, so but we know one more thing, that it uh, helps us to communicate with the third parties. Okay, now we are talking about the third parties here. Okay, from part 19, see, up till now we are working on the APIs that are not that are in the app itself, like push API, post API, get API, that we are working on, like there is the Android developer, and who is managing uh, front end. Okay, I'm going to make the font bigger. This is the issue here. Okay, so there is the Android developer who is managing front end. Okay, and there is the back end developer uh, who is managing, I can say, Laravel developer. Okay, who is managing backend, okay, of the app, backend of the app. Okay, so up till now, up till 18th video, we have worked like this. Like there is one Android developer and there is one Laravel developer. Okay, so here Laravel developer making the endpoints, making the APIs for the Android developer. Okay, so we are working like this. Like if you are in some MNC, if you are in some IT software company or web development company, then you need to make, as a Laravel developer, you need to make APIs for the Android developer. Okay, not only website. So that's why Laravel API tutorial is really important at this time, because 10 years back it's not there. Okay, but now it's really important. If you are going to work with some MNC or some big companies, then you need to learn about Laravel APIs, otherwise there is no space for you. Okay, so now see, now up till part 18th we have worked for this thing. Okay, up till part 18th. Okay, so up till part 18th we have seen this one. Okay, so now up from part 19th we are taking this step forward, and now we will work with the third parties. Okay, third parties APIs. Now third parties APIs, and also and webhook. Okay, so webhook is the new thing that I'm going to tell you now come into play from part 19. Okay, so now you are going to learn new things. So as we already know, Laravel API, we are communicating, we can communicate, or we can say applications communicate with each other with the help of API. Okay, applications, applications communicate with each other with help of API, as you already know. Okay, there are two things here, client and the server. So client and server communicates with each other, that we already know. Okay, communicate with each other. So our website is the client. Okay, I hope that you know about this thing. Our website is client here. Okay, website is client. And what is server? Server is some kind of like warehouse. Okay, warehouse where stock is managing, who warehouse who manage the stock, who manage the stock. Okay, so website is client, and so I need to write like the client is website. Okay, so where database is there. Okay, so that is enough. So now see, there is one client, there is one server who communicates with each other, and how the communication is possible, that is possible with the help of API. I hope that API is clear to you. Without API you can't able to communicate with the server. So now in API, server provides you the link. Like if we are going to work on the stock management, server provides you one link from where you can update stock. Okay, so there is some third party link here, third party link or server link. Okay, that the server provide you. So that link can be anything. So for the demo purpose I have made one link here, sidemakers dot stock, this one. Okay, so that I have made because I want to learn this one, that this kind of link. Here is the JSON data is having some items, stock of some items here. So see, these items we are going to update at the database. Stock of these items, like if in case this SKU is located in our website, that is having the stock 10, and this SKU is having the stock 50, then we are going to update the stock to 23 and 45, and this JSON data will be provided by the third party. Okay, so what API will do here? API will get the data from the third party, from the server, and updates in the database, that is our client database. Okay, then it's going to update in the client database. So I am going to open the database here. See, we don't have the products and products attributes table right now. I'm going to make one. Okay, so I hope that you know about the e-commerce structure, you know about the e-commerce website, you know about the e-commerce database. If you don't know, then please follow my e-commerce series to have some clarity about e-commerce, the structure of e-commerce. E-commerce is the topmost website, topmost solution. If you want to learn Laravel, if you want to learn some other framework, some other PHP framework or .NET, you must at least make one e-commerce website. You must know about e-commerce website because it will clear your concepts. Okay, so do follow the e-commerce series, that will clear your concepts. Okay, and you are going to learn many new things in Laravel. So here I'm going to make two tables, although you must create with migration, but we don't have that much time to create with migration. Okay, but if you want to learn about migration, then there are other videos as well. In e-commerce series we have always followed with migration and settings, but here I'm going to create one products table quickly. And in products table I am going to create some columns. I think 5 columns are enough, and we are going to okay, so here I'm going to add the ID, name of the product, and status of the product. So only few fields we are going to add, just we want to learn the concepts. Okay, and creator at, updated at. I know some of my friends will may not watch this video because they will find that it maybe not come in their course, but they will miss something if they will not, because these kind of things will really help them in future, because website is really easy to make, but the APIs, if they will learn about APIs, then it's really good for them. You always have to do something extra than normal, so that you will get the good job. You will get means okay, do +1 always. So here I will take varchar 255, and status we can give the tiny int, and creator at we can give here date time, and it is timestamp. Okay, so see, these kind of things, these kind of videos are also not easy for me to make, but see, you need to make efforts from your end as well. So finally we are going to make this table, products table. Okay, so I'm going to save this table. So let's me save this products table. Okay, so our products table is there. So now we need to create one more table, that is the attributes products underscore attributes table. And we are creating this table, as you know, that how that attributes, that there is one product. If there is one product, then there are attributes as well. I hope that this is very much clear to you. I don't want to go deeper, you need to follow the e-commerce series, but I will tell you briefly. Like if there are two products, casual blue casual t-shirt, like blue casual t-shirt, so there are two tables we are going to manage here. Main fields will come in products table, like product name, product code maybe, okay, and product description. Okay, so these kind of things will come in the main table, products table. And if we will talk about their attributes, now see, this is the product name. Okay, so every product is having some attributes. Like you will go to some store and you will find you want some kind of products, like yeah, you will go for t-shirt, in fact. Okay, and then the shopkeeper will ask you that which size of t-shirt you want. Okay, then you will tell that you want XL t-shirt. Okay, so their sizes will come into play. Okay, so these sizes we will make like this. One is the small size. Small size is having price 1000 INR or $10. Okay, and uh, and its stock is 10. Okay, so this is the stock that we want to manage. Okay, so small price I am going to do like this, like its size is small. Okay, so one is this size small, and its price is 1000. Okay, 1000 INR, or you can say or $10. Okay, so whatever you want. So it is really important to clear the basics here. Okay, so size is there, price is there, and now stock is, so every attribute is having some stock. So stock is 10. Okay, so finally there is one SKU field. So SKU is the stock keeping unit. Okay, so there is the SKU for every size. So here we can make the SKU like BCT as we can check here that what SKU we have used here. We have used BCTS. Okay, so we can use this same SKU here, BCTS. Okay, so this is okay. So this is the kind of attribute. So this is the one attribute. Okay, you we can make one more, but it's better if we will do like this, like size is small and price. Oh, it's tough to make like this. Okay, it's gone away. It's not no issue. Size, price, stock, and SKU once again. Okay, so this is the SKU, and I'm going to copy this one. So another SKU is like medium. Its price may be 1100 INR or $11. Okay, and stock may be 20, and we will mention it like M. Okay, like this. Okay, so these are kind of attributes that we need to manage. So we are going to create one more table here, and that is the products underscore attributes table. So let's quickly create products underscore attribute table. Without this table we can't do API or webhook. Okay, products underscore attributes. I'm going to tell you about webhook as well shortly. So here we are going to create 8 columns. Okay, so let's create products underscore attributes, and here first one is the ID auto increment, and after ID product underscore ID. Okay, so that will come here. SKU will come, then size will come, after size price will come, then stock will come, created at, finally updated at. Okay, so all these are varchar. This one we can take as float, and this one int is fine. Then date time, and finally timestamp. Okay, so this one we can take 255, that is fine, we can save it. Okay, so our production underscore attributes table is also ready. Okay, so now two tables are ready, and we can insert a few products. Okay, and I'm going to insert, like first one is blue casual t-shirt, and status is one, and the next one is red casual t-shirt. Okay, so only names are coming here, status is one, and it's fine. Okay, go. So we have created these two, one id, two id. Okay, so now we will insert few attributes as well, first with id 1, and we will take the SKU like we are using here, bcts. Okay, so because we are sending the stock from the third party, that we will update here in our database. Okay, so I think that makes sense. So price, we can make it like we have given there. Price is 1000 and 1100. Okay, so 1000, stock, anything we can add 10, no issue. So now once again, product id 1, so this time bctm. Okay, so here m, so size this time is m, price is 1100, and stock is anything we can add, we will add 20, no issue. Okay, then I will go. Okay, so here two attributes are there, but one more attributes I'm going to add for a red casual t-shirt whose product id is 2 this time, and we are going to add the we can pick the uh, SKU from here, as we are going to update the stock for this SKU. So now we will take ss, and we are going to take it the price like anything you want. Okay, so that is fine. So one more we can add the m as well. Okay, once again m. Okay, so we can take it like this. Okay, so now four attributes are there, small and medium size, for all for these two products. Okay, so now we want to update the stock. See what happen, like you have created some website. First of all, you will create some website, you can manage the stock from your end. If you are having some store, if you are having some small store, okay, not that much big enough, or you are managing from your home itself, so you are having your own products, and you are managing your products of your own, so it means that you are keeping the stock at your end. At that time you are not required any kind of API or webhook. Okay, but if you are managing some big website, some big brand, okay, like Amazon, then stock always comes from the third party, because website sale can be done at various places, like at your own place or some other place, like you are managing stock in your website online, and it's also the same stock is there in your stores as well. Now see, now another things comes into play that you need to learn here, it's very important. Like you are making some website, like you are making some Amazon website is having, or we can take one more thing here, like blue casual t-shirt. We talk about blue casual t-shirt, whose attribute is bcts, is available both in Amazon website as well as in Amazon store. Maybe there is some store, some store in your city from where you can physically go there and can purchase. Okay, so this attribute, this product, this t-shirt is available at both places, so its stock is 10. So what will happen, like if the stock is 10, the person who purchased the t-shirt from online for this attribute, one t-shirt he purchased, then stock will be 9 at both the places. So here you can see that its stock is managed at both places, at all the places. So that's why API comes into play. Okay, so you have that limited stock, and stock, if anywhere like in website or stock, if some person purchase, then stock needs to be deducted at all ends. So here the warehouse come into play. Warehouse like Uniware or some other big brand, some other big warehouse who provides the APIs. Okay, so that stock management company, or we can say stock management company, used to manage this kind of things. Stock management company here, and this company used to manage website stock, used to manage the its store stock. Okay, so every time whenever this purchase is there, stock will reduce globally. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. This clear your means that point. Okay, so I will give the demo class on it very soon, maybe this Sunday or maybe another Sunday, because I will give the live class on it, because I want to get things clear to you. Okay, otherwise you will find trouble in future videos. Okay, so this is a kind of stock management process. Okay, now we have the two tables here, products and products attributes. So there are two ways, like I have told you initially, to manage the stock. Either we can manage with the API, or we can manage with webhook. So you learn about API. In API we have the third party link, and from that third party link we get the stock. Okay, so here you can see that we get the stock from the third party link, and we update that stock in our database here. So what will happen in webhook? So how it is different from the API? See, purpose of webhook is the same. See, that goal is the same, purpose is the same. It webhook communicates, help in communication between the application. Okay, so helps in communication between applications or devices. Sorry, applications, no devices. Okay, so helps in communication between applications. Okay, so why it is different? So here you can see the link provided by the server, but here the client will provide the link, you will provide the link. Like our website name is stackdevelopers.in, we are going to make one API for our for the third party. Like I'm going to make one API in webhook. Okay, so webhook is a kind of API, you can say it is a kind of API, but it is not the its term is different. Okay, so I will create one webhook. I will do like stackdevelopers.in, this is my website. So I'm going to do like this, API slash update stock, or I can say webhook. Okay, so I can, so API is fine because we are going to make the API. So update stock, we are going to make with webhook. Okay, so this is a kind of thing. So this is just for your learning. Okay, so this API you will create, and you will provide this one to the third party. So this is the difference. Here the third party provides you the link. Okay, you will call this link and update the stock in the database, but here you are going to provide the link to the third party. This is the link that you will give to the third party, you will give to the server. Okay, see here we have done client, here client and server communicates with each other. And here one thing is really important, uh, see, link provided by client to the server, and link provided by server to the client. See, this is the third party link, server to the client, and here link provided by the client to the server, link provided by the client to the server. So what will happen here? So every time when there is update in stock, then server going to call this API that client provides to update the stock at its database. Okay, so they are going to update the stock and will send us the new stock to update from the warehouse. Okay, so every time when order will get purchased, or when we are going to when the customer will buy something, okay, so its stock will get reduced, and then this API will be called by the third party, and they will reduce at their end at their database as well, like we have made the stock from 10 to 9. So such kind of API, such kind of webhook that we used to call. So why it is different? It is different because a webhook will be called by the server only when the event occurs, only when some event occurs, like the event I have told you, that there is the person who goes in the store, or there is the person who purchased from the website and going to purchase, and after that stock need to be reduced globally from everywhere. So webhook comes into play at that time. So I hope that this is very much clear to you, what is API and what is webhook. So in next video we are going to make the Laravel stock API, and we are going to call this one in curl to update the stock at website end, and after that we are going to make webhook as well. Okay, to do the same purpose, but its goal is same, but its syntax is different. But we need to learn webhook, and webhook is better for the client, because webhook saves the resources of the client. See, it's only called whenever there is the update. Okay, otherwise this URL you need to make the that cron job, you need to schedule this API, you need to run this one after every half an hour. Okay, so this one is really better. I will explain you further, but we are going to start working on this API as well as webhook practically from next video. So stay tuned for that. Have a nice time. Goodbye.